Oh, I know what this is. This is like the neck knot thing. So you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Come on.
Let's go.
Ooh. What is it? This is sausage or
Oh,
little
oh, I know you like both.
Oh damn, I should have started with the darker shade.
It's fine, you can still do it. You're doing it fast, sis.
I know, I'm professional.
Okay. He's professional. And plus I learned so much from Johan when it comes to makeup, because you know, like, he has been doing this for almost a century now.
No, no. You big today.
I think that taking your time is the key to a good makeup look. I know you don't really know that
Not only for the
much.
makeup, you know.
You know there's kids watching this. You went to makeup school, right?
Yeah.
I think you need to get your money.
No, but you should go to the makeup school.
I don't need it.
You sure?
I don't know if I am anymore. Should I?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh. Wow. You jealous?
I think it's starting to look good. What do you guys think?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
First time Johan has been nice today. A record. Going back to normal.
Yeah. Okay, sis. I just finished the final touch.
Maybe we should put the black paint. And then we'll see if it looks good, and if it doesn't, we'll just continue.
And I whoop.
I think I'm pretty much done.
Yeah, me too.
You too?
Yeah, yeah.
So what do you think of mine?
Your black is translucent, I think, and you need to do your black more down, I think.
Okay. I think it looks pretty good, but I feel like the black lines are not blended enough, so it kind of looks a little bit too much like a drawing. Okay, so we're done. Let's move on.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. I thought it was gonna be more easy than it was, but it was pretty cool to do and try it out, you know? So, yeah. Bye, everybody. This was fun.
Bye, beauty lovers. I should have. Everybody!